Japan, a land of contrasts, beckons with its unique blend of ancient traditions and modern marvels. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Mount Fuji, Japan offers a sensory feast for every traveler. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, vibrant pop culture, or breathtaking natural landscapes, Japan promises an unforgettable adventure. Prepare to be captivated by its ancient temples, futuristic cities, and the warmth of its people. Your journey to the land of the rising sun begins with careful planning. From choosing the right entry point to packing essential items, a little preparation will go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. This guide will provide you with practical tips and insights to navigate the cultural nuances and logistical aspects of traveling in Japan. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of wonder and embrace the magic of Japan. Your Japanese adventure typically begins in one of two bustling cities, Tokyo, the vibrant capital, or Osaka, known for its culinary delights. Both offer unique experiences and serve as excellent starting points for exploring the rest of the country. Tokyo, a metropolis of modernity, seamlessly blends futuristic skyscrapers with traditional shrines and gardens. Osaka, on the other hand, is renowned for its friendly atmosphere, delicious street food, and vibrant nightlife. Consider your interests and travel style when deciding between these two dynamic cities. Tokyo offers a fast-paced urban experience, while Osaka provides a more laid-back vibe. Whichever you choose, you're in for an incredible journey. Most international travelers arrive at Narita International Airport, located about 60 kilometers east of Tokyo. Navigating from Narita to the city center is surprisingly easy thanks to Japan's efficient public transportation system. The Narita Express train offers a comfortable and direct route to major Tokyo stations like Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Tokyo Station. Alternatively, the Kansai Skyliner is another high-speed train option that connects Narita Airport to Ueno Station in central Tokyo. Both options provide a seamless and stress-free way to reach your destination. Tickets can be purchased at the airport upon arrival, and clear signage guides you to the train platforms. If you're starting your journey in Osaka, you'll likely arrive at Kansai International Airport, situated on an artificial island in Osaka Bay. Similar to Narita, KIX offers convenient train connections to the heart of Osaka. The Nankai Railway provides a direct link to Namba Station, a major transportation hub in Osaka. Another option is the JR Haruka Express, which connects KIX to Tennoji and Shin Osaka stations, offering easy transfers to other parts of the city. Both train lines offer comfortable seating and luggage storage, ensuring a pleasant journey. Tickets can be purchased at the airport, and English-speaking staff are available to assist you. Essential packing list. Gear up for Japan. Packing for Japan requires a bit of forethought, as certain items may not be readily available or are customary to have. Here's a list of must-haves to make your trip smoother. Portable Wi-Fi router. Stay connected on the go with a portable Wi-Fi router. You can rent one at the airport or purchase a SIM card with data. Comfortable walking shoes. Be prepared to walk extensively, as Japan is a pedestrian-friendly country. Universal travel adapter. Japan uses a different plug type, Type A and B, so be sure to pack a universal adapter. Cash. While credit cards are widely accepted in major establishments, cash is still king in Japan, especially in smaller shops and restaurants. Phrasebook. While many Japanese people speak English, having a phrasebook handy can be helpful, especially in less touristy areas. Remember to pack light and leave room for souvenirs. You can always purchase any forgotten essentials at convenience stores or department stores throughout Japan. Conquering communication, a few Japanese phrases. While English is spoken in major tourist areas, learning a few basic Japanese phrases can greatly enhance your interactions with locals. Here are some essential phrases to get you started. Hello, konnichiwa, thank you, arigato gozaimasu. Excuse me, sumimasen. Where's the bathroom? Toare wa doko desu ka? I don't understand, wakarimasen. Don't be afraid to use these phrases, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect. The effort will be appreciated and often leads to friendly smiles and helpful gestures. Culinary delights embracing Japanese cuisine. Japanese cuisine is an integral part of the country's culture, and no trip to Japan is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From fresh sushi and flavorful ramen to delicate wagashi sweets, there's something to tantalize every palate. Explore local markets, dine at traditional izakayas, and savor the flavors of authentic Japanese cuisine. Don't be afraid to try new things and embrace the unique dining customs of Japan. Slurping your noodles is considered a sign of enjoyment, and it's customary to finish all the rice in your bowl. Japan has a rich culture with unique customs and etiquette. Understanding and respecting these customs will enhance your travel experience and foster positive interactions with locals. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Bowing is the customary way to greet people in Japan. The depth and duration of the bow vary depending on the formality of the situation. It's customary to remove your shoes before entering homes, temples, and some traditional restaurants. Look for a designated shoe rack or slippers provided at the entrance. Avoid sticking your chopsticks upright in your rice bowl, as this is considered rude. Remember that politeness and respect are highly valued in Japanese culture. By observing these customs, you'll demonstrate your cultural sensitivity and enjoy a more immersive travel experience. Japan is still a cash-based society, so it's essential to have enough on hand for daily expenses. While credit cards are widely accepted in major establishments, smaller shops, restaurants, and transportation often prefer cash. The currency in Japan is the Japanese yen. You can exchange currency at banks, airports, or authorized currency exchange booths. It's also a good idea to withdraw cash from ATMs, which are widely available throughout Japan. Look for ATMs located at 7-Eleven convenience stores, post offices, or banks, as they often offer fee-free withdrawals for international cards. Lost in translation, finding your way around. Navigating Japan's transportation system is surprisingly easy thanks to its efficiency and clear signage. However, even with well-marked routes, it's easy to get turned around, especially in major cities like Tokyo and Osaka. Thankfully, technology comes to the rescue. Download a reliable navigation app such as Google Maps or Navitimer to help you navigate the streets and public transportation. These apps provide real-time information on train schedules, walking directions, and even estimated travel times, ensuring you reach your destination smoothly. Don't hesitate to ask locals for assistance if you're ever lost. Safety first tips for a secure journey. Japan consistently ranks among the safest countries in the world, with a low crime rate and a culture of respect and order. However, it's always wise to take precautions to ensure a secure journey. Here are some safety tips to keep in mind. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to your belongings, especially in crowded areas, and avoid walking alone late at night. Keep valuables secure. Use the hotel safe for important documents, cash, and expensive electronics. Emergency contacts. Save emergency contact numbers, including your embassy or consulate and local emergency services. By following these simple safety measures, you can relax and enjoy your trip with peace of mind. Must-see sites, iconic landmarks await. No trip to Japan is complete without experiencing its iconic landmarks and cultural treasures. From ancient temples and serene gardens to futuristic skyscrapers and bustling shopping districts, Japan offers a diverse range of attractions to suit every interest. In Tokyo, marvel at the bustling Shibuya Crossing, visit the serene Meiji Shrine, and soak up the panoramic views from the Tokyo Skytree. In Osaka, explore the historic Osaka Castle, wander through the vibrant Dotonbori district, and indulge in the culinary delights of Kuramon Market. Beyond these major cities, venture out to explore the ancient capital of Kyoto, the scenic Mount Fuji, or the peaceful island of Miyajima. Embrace the experience your unforgettable Japan trip. As you embark on your Japanese adventure, remember that the true magic lies in embracing the unknown and immersing yourself in the local culture. Be open to new experiences, try the local cuisine, and engage with the friendly locals. Whether you're sipping matcha in a traditional tea house or singing karaoke with newfound friends, each moment will contribute to the tapestry of your unforgettable Japan trip. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Japan awaits with open arms, ready to captivate your senses and leave an imprint on your soul.